Hello traders, it's Monday. The new week, Trader Week, has started, and today I will explain again to your many questions about the amazing, fantastic manual strategy, Rubicon, FX Rubicon, for Forex, which is used mostly for swing trading, but also for scalping if you like to take many trades and make small pips profit, but mostly it is super swing reversal strategy. So I have many questions about in which time frame you can use and so on. So again, the best time frame for using it is the higher time frame like 4-hour and daily hour time frame. So this is daily time frame. This is mostly maybe the best for the people which doesn't have time and or can maybe trade per day maybe 1-2 hours. So it's ideal for them. Or we have 4-hour time frame. It's also good. You do not have to watch non-stop at your charts. You wait for signals and then easily take a trade. And not only because of that, it is also because these time frames works the best. According to my experience, according to my trading experience in last months, this is the best time frames. But of course, you can use it on 1-hour time frame too, but I do not advise to use it on lower time frame than 1 hour. And I didn't test it so much on lower, because if you trade really Forex, you will use 4-hour daily, maybe 1 hour if you really want to have more trades per day, and maybe if you want to make scalping or something. So use 4-hour and daily, and if you want really to have more trades, 1 hour also can be okay. But number one, daily and 4-hour time frame. So again, we have the rules here. The rules are not so complicated. We have 2 arrow system, pink as a warning that the pink arrow says us that the peak, the top of some trend is made. So this pink arrow shows us the very top of uptrend, and it tells us that very soon you can expect a reversal or changing of direction. So we are waiting for these pink arrows to appear, but we do not trade the pink arrow. Please remember, we do not trade with pink arrows. We only trade with white, which appears after the pink arrow. So first of all, we wait for a pink, and then after the pink, if we have white, we trade, but we have to have a few confirmations. So when we get white arrow, by the way, 100% they are not repainted. I repeat, white arrows came at the current candle, at the open of the current candle, and they are not repainted. If you want to take a trade, you must have few things confirmed. Of course, logically, the candle must be, Heikenashi must be red for sell and blue for buy. And also, this line HMA must be red for sell or blue for buy. Very simple. And the last thing you have to get is the future price predictor Neuro Turbo down here. You see, when we get an arrow, and arrow came in the current candle, you watch down here if the Neuro Turbo future price predictor, which predicts 15 candles, or here 15 days in future, the movement of the price. Here it shows, let's see, 15, it's about here. So here you will see the yellow line until here, because it shows 15 candles in advance. So it's confirmed. We need that the yellow line goes under the white, of course, and when you see it goes really vertically down, very strongly, it's our confirmation. So pink arrow, not to trade. White arrow, yes, if you had a red candle, red line, and this confirmed. Yes, 3 confirmations, but we are on daily chart, or 4 hour, or even 1 hour. You have enough time to confirm all 3 confirmations, because when you have all set it up, all confirmed, as I said now, then you have 90% even chances to win the trade. So why not to be patient? Why not to wait for these confirmations, and then you are safe? You see here, if you have been taken this trade, if you keep it until the next white, you will have 225. What are the rules of exit? What are the exit rules? So the first exit position is when you get opposite white arrow, and you exit and you make 228 pips, and okay, this is a safe strategy. But the another more advanced is waiting for the next pink arrow, and until here you will have 400 pips, so much more. Let's see buy example. Also pink arrow, not to be traded. Then we wait 1, 2, 3, 4 candles until the white, not repainted arrow. We have blue line, blue candle, and it shows us, you see, in next 15 candles, very strong signal. In future predictor is showing us confirmation. So from here we can keep it until here. We said from white to white arrow, or more advanced, little bit riskier, until pink, and you will make 444. So you see 2 trades, almost 900 pips. You see this latest trade, it just finished, all confirmed, all confirmed, and from here you will exit when you see this pink, so 280 pips. Isn't it easy? This is not repainted. Why I said that you maybe can use it for scalping? Because these whites are not repainted arrows. When you get these white arrows and you have all conditions met, you can take a scalp trade. Let's see here, white arrow, blue, it is up, and you can take it until the next white arrow. So this is for scalping. Or here, see, all confirmed, and you can keep it until here and make 100 pips. So this is another possibility if you want really more trades, but not so long swing trades, but a little retracement or little reversal trades. Let's see one. This is 4-hour time frame, also very simple. You see, this is not to be traded. When you get this, you have all confirmed. Look at this, and keep it until the next white or until today. Let's see another daily chart, also here, 4-hour time frame. This is 1-hour time frame. Let's see 1-hour time frame. How to use it. Also very simple. You get pink, white. You see down here it is going down under the white line. It must be under white. All confirmed, and until here you will make 160, or until here 200, 300 pips. You see this one. This trade is still active. You see the latest trade 10 hours ago or something like that. You will have pink arrow, you do not trade. Then you get white arrow, blue candle, blue line. You see this. At the moment when you get arrow, it shows us, you see, it's climbing up 15 candles, and we are very safe to take this trade. And until now, from here, we have 65 pips. Very, very simple. And this is also 1 hour if you want to use it. This is pink arrow, but we do not trade still. We need white and all these confirmations I explained. You see one winning trade, second winning trade, and one trade, scalping trade only without pink. You have white. All other confirmations are set up, and you can trade until the next white, make 46 pips. So this is scalping trades. If you want much more trades, but I suggest maybe to use safe strategy with pink and white. Pink and white, you see, pink and white, you see, pink and white. Here we have only pink, so do not trade. So do not trade. So guys, it's very simple. There is no so many thinking about it. Just follow these few steps: pink, white, confirmation, and trade. And you will have, with pink and white system, swinging system, even 90% accuracy. If you use it for scalping, be careful. You must have all confirmations, and try, when you scalp, try to scalp always in the direction of the trend or in the direction of the pink. So as you can see here, we trade with white up, and then we wait another white. Again we trade with this, also with this. So guys, I hope it helped you a lot. Any questions you will need, please, my email is below, and my link to my web page is below. Bye bye.